Hey kiddos, it's Miss Cunningham. Today we're going to work on continuous sounds and stop sounds, okay? So a continuous sound, you hold it for 3 seconds, okay? You hold the letter sound for 3 seconds. I'm going to model this for you, and I want you to really pay close attention to the way my mouth moves and turn those listening ears on, okay? So A, E, F, F, I, L, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, Y, and Z. Now remember, these letters are continuous sounds. Just a reminder, hold them for 3 seconds. Now we're going to move on to stop sounds. Stop sounds, you do not hold them for 3 seconds, you just immediately make the sound. That's why it's called a stop sound. So we're going to start with B. Again, pay close attention to my lips and turn our listening ears on. B, B. C, K. D, D. G, G. H, H. J, J. K, K. P, P. Q, Q. T, T. And X, X. Now on these stop sounds, you really need to focus on letters like B and D, because oftentimes we have a tendency to go duh and buh, and you can't add that on the end of it, so you have to shorten it to b and d. Okay? Now I want you to go open your book, turn it right inside the cover, and I want you to go through your continuous and your stop sounds. Speak loud and clear. Make sure with your continuous sounds you hold them for 3 seconds, and have a great time and make sure you're learning. Have a great day, kids. Love y'all.